Kisienya, KTN.
Thank you, Mila, for that story. Now, we continue with the developing story of the tragedy that hit Utumishi Girls Senior School early today, where 16 people have been confirmed dead after an inferno destroyed dormitory. 79 other students were injured and are now hospitalized at various hospitals in Nakuru County. We now cross live to Gilgil and link up with our reporter, Kennedy Gashuhi. Kennedy, good afternoon to you. Not much to talk about in terms of whether it's good afternoon, but what is happening on the ground as we speak at the moment?
Thank you, Aseto. At the moment, we have the parents reuniting with their children, and some of them even picking them for a brief break, because the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Interior, in a joint statement, said that the students cannot continue staying here in this facility, and because of the trauma they underwent earlier this morning following the tragedy that struck at around 2 a.m. And as of now, we have established that, according to a statement given by the Ministry of Interior, is that 16 students from different classes perished in that inferno. We also had 79 of them sustaining injuries, unfortunately, and we also have another 7 of them still hospitalized in different hospitals. At the moment, we have some of the parents who have not yet met or maybe located their children, trying to establish whether they are among those in hospital or they are among those who are the casualties. And we had a dormitory of around 220 bed capacity, and what has been established is that at the time of the incident, around 200 students were in that particular dormitory. And at the moment, I can see that we have some of the leaders still around here trying to establish exactly what transpired. And with me here is PS Mary Muthoni. Maybe you can tell us what you have gathered from your visit here, and maybe your message of condolences to the parents who have been affected.
First and foremost, I want to sympathize with the affected families, and we are saying pole sana from the Ministry of Health. We have already put together our teams, the disaster management teams. They are already on the ground. The trauma counseling teams equally. They are on the ground. Counseling is taking place as we are going, as we are talking. And I want to assure the members of public that the ministry will stand with the families and the school to ensure, and even continuing to ensure that we restore calm and they are able to continue their lives. Yeah. But once more, poleni sana. Okay. That is all that we can say for now.
We have seen that some of the parents have been overwhelmed, and I can see that you have some members of the Kenya Red Cross trying to undertake these parents through the counseling process. Maybe how important is this exercise?
This is very, very important, and that is why we are partnering with our partners, with Nakuru County, the healthcare workers, so that we are able to calm down the parents and also the affected families. The psychosocial support is very, very important for anybody who has gone through, and probably even viewing the bodies. And so psychosocial support will continue. And we have pitched tents. The national government teams, they've already traveled, the Nakuru County teams, healthcare workers, and also our partners. We are also mobilizing our other partners so that we can put together whichever support that is available in terms of human resource and also the equipment that may be required.
Thank you very much, Madam PS. Indeed, as you have heard, that we have psychosocial support processes being carried out to ensure that parents who have been affected, those who have lost their children, and those who have also survived, but we have those who have suffered a lot of trauma from the experience that they saw earlier this morning at around 2 a.m. And we have seen that we are experiencing some of the parents maybe kind of overwhelmed harmed by whatever has happened, because some of them have not established whether their children are among the casualties or they are among those in hospital. But this is the process which the Kenya Red Cross is undertaking, just to ensure that everything is done smoothly. And just a recap is that the incident happened at around 2 a.m. and we had a dormitory of 220 bed capacity with 200 students at that time. And as of now, we have established that 79 students were injured. Some of them were jumping off from the windows, some of them trying to get off the building. And we have established that those who died, some of them died at a door that had been locked. And we have established that those who have died the bodies are yet to be moved from this facility and are expected to be moved to the various morgues. And we are also planning to visit and see what will be happening, or the condition of those who are still in hospital. Back to you in studio.
Thank you very much, Ken Gashui there, joining us from Nakuru County at this scene of the accident as investigations